Well, afternoon, morning. Yeah, still morning campers. We just been shopping, rushing about. I'm having a fucking breakfast, and now we're desperate to get up to a lay-by, and we've got to be there by midday. So I don't know why we're rushing about. But there you go. We are rushing about. So I'll speak to you all later. Well, here we are. It's a bit different in the rain, isn't it? We're going back to where we come from the day before yesterday. And all the way back to going to dearest Wetherspoons we've ever been in. Absolutely ridiculous prices, you know. But compared to the other ones, like, you know, got one pub to the other and you've got like £1.40 difference in price. Yeah, never mind though. Apparently we're rush up here. I haven't had no breakfast. Went and did a bit of shopping. So I'm ready for one more couple of days. We're doing some meals. I haven't got any meals. But I don't think I've got room in the fridge to put until I go on my second pint of milk. Anyway, we're cruising along here. Everyone can see what that down, but you can see it or not. Can you see that or not? We're right at level with the loft. Can't see much because of the ulterior, so I'll show you right away. The other day we're running in the rain. I don't like running in the rain anyway, but this is a lay-by by the side of the road. This is the furthest one off the road you can get. If I get there and be telling I ain't working. If I sit in the fucking rain here, I'll just be on the door and we want to stay. And I'll meet up with them tomorrow with the next day. That way you can shoot off and, you know, I don't like this sitting about and suddenly rush, we gotta go. Yeah. So go off and fucking leave me then. As long as you put me on the thing, I'll catch you up in half an hour. Because when we were in Liverpool, I got to get out of Liverpool, have a shower, and then pick water up on the way up through. But he's already got water, so he's alright. I mean, I got water, I got enough for 2 showers. But if I wouldn't stop by a shower a day, I would still have enough for 2 more showers, wouldn't I? Kiln Lochiel, that's what we're going through. Anyway, I'm just chatting away. Here we go. We're up the top of the mountain. I don't think we're that far from where we parked last time. It says 25 miles to Malach, and whatever. That's really weird, isn't it? Because they spell Malach on these signs, or some of them they got 1 L in, some of them they got 2 L's in. And my TomTom wouldn't accept it without 2 L's in. This is taking me something fucking totally different. So trip. You can see it when you get on these mountains. Can you see them? So I'm twisting the camera around and I can't bloody see them. I got to watch where I'm going so I can't sort of look to where you're looking. I'm just nudging the bottom of the bloody. I don't want that mirror up there, that camera up there. I just looked in that mirror and seen a car go by for me. The back go by, which it was. It was coming the other way and I thought it was going. Yeah, there you go. Well, that is, there's locked up, they don't want you in there. Yeah, some of it up here is really, really friendly, and some of them are just shit cunts. You know. And I can't understand why you wouldn't want camper vans parking in the main car park in the middle of, in the end of Port William. They always used to. And it brings trade to the town, doesn't it? Well, we stayed at Lidl's car park, and I think the first time we went in there we spent 44 quid. Today I spent 26, and I don't know what Charlie spent. Well, there's another £150 they're taking, so I spent that. Just to let you park in the trying to do travel at 50 mile an hour. Between about 48 and 52 you travel. And that's nice and comfortable because I love to travel. I stick my cruise control on at 50. Alright, there's a lay-by there. See, that'll be quite because you can get quite back off the lay-by if you want to go for a walk. But if you don't want to do anything else like there, there's nothing to do. That lay-by that we stopped in, I mean, you couldn't go for a walk there unless you want to go and walk on the main road. Yeah. Oh, down the fucking lay-by there, see? There, say you can go for a walk across the railway line. Go and play with the trains. Do you know what? It ain't very wide between these bloody lines. And these white lines on the road, they ain't the right width. Can you see them? You see how Charlie, I reckon he got about, if he got a foot each side of his wheels, then I might be exaggerating. But then his body sticks out over his wheels. And if you look, see, he ain't got much room, has he? These roads ain't exactly fucking wide. When you get coming t'other way, and there's a lorry coming, and if he pulls out for a tree or a branch or something, there ain't a lot of room. There ain't a lot of room. But I'm sure we were down here, so I put this camera on here, so we'll not be on for a few minutes. What I'll do, I'll make this just into one video. Yeah. You see a lot of people on here interested in the actually travelling part, but not so many now. Got one bloke on there, there's Dan, isn't it? He liked the travelling bit. You don't know what the situation is, right? They could be sat at home, you know, not be able to get out, and have memories of Scotland, and I bring them back to them. Isn't that lovely? We're down at 30 mile an hour now. So Charlie got a fucking blow his horn out, flash as well. Charlie go faster than that. Further up past them lights. I'm sure, I can't really remember. And they're red. So there you go. They're on red. Red for dead. Hang on a minute. I showed you that before in the sunshine tonight. And that's what it's like in the rain. I think we're the other side of the bit that sticks out, because that mountain looks familiar. Here we go again. You know, I think a part of Scotland, well, I think I did say, I think a part of Scotland's fallen into the road. That bloke's still there. Oh, it fucking is too. Charlie made me laugh. Yesterday he was taking a piss. And he was saying, like, we went to that black wild brewery, whatever it is. And they got like 16 or whatever it is, sticking out the wall. And it's just like a rusty old wall. And I said to Charlie, I've been here before, so I'd come here with age, just like under the stairs and down the wood of the stairs. Yeah, he said, you're like fucking granddad, he said, on Bulls and Horses. I've been there, let me tell you about when I was there. And he was going on, and I should have had my camera out, it was funny, slow it was. There you go, bloody hell. Look, we're down the shallow end. There's a river running into it there, or a stream, or they don't call it, what do they call it, a burn. A burn, yeah. This is all a bit fucking chuggy going that transit. I'll tell you what, if you owe Charlie, have you put fucking slow? I dare say these lay-bys like that, you just go over the tree and you're over the tree and you're over the tree line and you're down by there. But there's a couple of sandy beaches up here that we noticed, but we haven't really had well, we haven't been up the side to see them. But then when I looked at the thing, the Google map, that was 14 years ago. Terrible weather though, isn't it? Yeah, I think I've been thinking about getting an old A-Class myself, but the trouble is with this van, it's fucking, I love this van, I've had this van 12 years and I love it. I know it inside out. But, yeah. There's water there. You can see it. Go that day. There's water on that windscreen as well. Beer on my own with my cruise on, I mean that would stay on 50. You come all around these, I mean we're doing fucking 33 miles an hour. Bad in the way I had no fucking breakfast, is it? wits about you. That's one thing when they say bends up here, they don't usually fuck about. But beautiful. We're right down in there. We've got no radio, no fuck all. But it was really weird, it was, because that place we stopped down there, you've got a perfect telephone signal, perfect internet, you couldn't get the telly. Lariat or some fucking thing, something like that. I don't know whether when they put it up in Scottish, whether they put it up as how they spell it, Gaelic or Gaelic, whatever they call it, is or that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. In, whatever that is. Well, it's road up there, we go the other side there. Mile out 17 miles. I'll have to cut this because I'm gonna run out of electric. Well, here's the viaduct he was on about. Apparently, we can see that from where we're going. But I don't really need to see that one, but I can see it now. I presume that's a viaduct anyway. But we'll go that way. Oh. See her not? We're going to see that from our road. We go past these trees. We'll get a sight, don't we? I don't know. I don't know if he comes up here, he comes up here, he is up here. I don't know. Parking on the verges. Oh, then that's a lake. That's a lake over there. Park 4 miles, but you say this might be it. TV signal and ISP fine. Or one leaning a bit the wrong way. But then we can soon sort that out, can't we? What's that like? That's level, that'll do. I think we're here. Let's see how it works. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye bye, you skins.